You can close those browser tabs now and let me do the travel planning for you. You need a travel agent to do all of this pesky research for you. On iBookiGo's website, we make it easy for you to say iBookiGo. From Disney and luxury villas to sandals and beaches, excursions, exotic trips, and our cool BOGO offers, when you book a trip with us, you get a travel voucher for your next vacation. Plus, we have over 20 plus brands of cruises that we're certified in, from Disney and Viking River Cruises to Carnival, Princess, Virgin Voyages, Celebrity, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, Ama Waterways, Atlas, Emerald, Hurtigruten, Seabourn, and so many other brands that you love. We provide you with a variety of resources to help save you time and money so you can enjoy your cruise. If you're looking to get married or plan your honeymoon, you can come right on our website and create your free wedding site for your wedding. You can also take advantage of our free registry. We're going to give you a 7-day resort voucher for you to celebrate your 1-year anniversary. Our BOGO offers are going to keep you traveling. And if you're trying to get your bucket list completely checked off, say goodbye to FOMO, because from France to Egypt, Sri Lanka to Indonesia, and South Africa to the Maldives, you can travel to Thailand, India, Australia, Kenya, and so many other destinations. When you come to iBookiGo, just click on the quote request so that you can complete your travel profile. When you do that, it gives us all of the information that we need to start doing the research for you. It doesn't cost you absolutely a thing for us to book your next vacation. The commission is already built into the price that you currently pay when you book trips on your own. So if you're currently looking for a trip and you want the scoop on lesser known hotels, experiences that enhance your travels, and someone else to take care of all the finer details so you just relax, you've come to the right place. My name is Precious and I'm the owner of iBookiGo, where you can book with ease and travel with joy. Your dream journey, it starts here. You can sip a spritz while I plan the trip of your dreams, and that way you can enjoy vacay vibes.